Our next task is to replace the old string by a new one. You can see that I got the part that was on the bottom already up, and we are just going to remove it and replace it in a second. This here is very interesting because I always thought it was just one knot, but I just learned that it's two knots when we loosen thing up. I know you are only seeing my fingers at the moment. I hope it works what I plan. We remove this thing, we are going to get this, and this type itself, they did it like this when I got it right. That's the first of the two, and then they did another one just to keep the knot in place. More or less. Okay, and that's what we are going to duplicate now. And here's the new string inside the wheel, and here you can see I have replaced it. And then we are going to make another loop like this, and this has to go down, and to stay down it's the first layer, so to say, of our new string. It will stay there forever. And here you see the spring and the flywheel attached together. The flywheel has a hook where you can put the spring into, and then you have to move it like this, and then you can add it, and then the two are together. Yeah, and then we are going to put this in there and also add the counterweight here, and then we are going to do something like a test assembly and see if we can get a tone out of her with our little tone arm. Okay, back in a sec. Okay, I have put everything in place. The rubber band is already around the flywheel. I put the tone arm in place. I wrapped up the new pull string. The last thing we're going to do is to put the rubber over the weight here, and then we have to put the frame on top so that it stays in place, and I have to use a bit of duct tape to keep everything in place so that we can do a test. That's what our reassembled Barbie body looks like. I have to put the back on there. Because of the speaker, I don't get any good sound if I don't attach it. And now let's see. Oh, I have forgotten something. I realized it just in this moment. I forgot my tongs because I haven't reattached the flower yet. I need something that I can pull on and use it as a replacement. So I use this pair of tongs to do it. And now let's hear if we get any sound. No? Nothing. I have to look where the problem is and fix it. Okay, I found my little mistake. I have wind it up too much from the string, so that my string in there had no metal anymore and it was all under my flying wheel, and I had to put it back around the spring itself. I hope we can get any sound from here now. It's normal if it doesn't work at first perfectly. You have to use it several times to get out something that you can understand. Barbie. Okay, it seems she is a Barbie. At least she has told us that. Okay, I'm going to work it out so that it works better, and then I'm back. Okay, here's the progress I had so far. Let's see if I can make her talk again. That's German and means great, we are going to the party. Okay, I'm back. I had to stop yesterday because the little spin wheel flying frame pink thing suddenly disappeared, and I had to search it for more than 1 hour, and it was really disgusting, and I didn't feel in the mood to continue my repair. So I'm back today and we're going to continue our repair process. Let's see how long it's going to take. While doing my tests, I found out that the record is not perfectly tight anymore on the flywheel, so I'm going to re-glue this back. I think I got her so far that we can re-glue the mechanism as a next step. But before, I'm going to let you listen to what she says. As you can see, I have already put the frame in place, and the next thing I'm going to do is to re-glue it back. You can use GB weld to do it. I have already used Patex. That's an epoxy glue like GB weld. But GB weld is not so easy to get in Germany, and that's why I found this stuff. It is similar, but it's just another trademark. Okay, but I'm going to do this today with MEK. I have already put some of the MEK from this bottle into this jar, and I'm going to reseal it back. It's like a kind of melting it. It's going to last several minutes, and I have to be careful while doing this. I already put the stuff in place, and I have to open the window because it's smelly. The stuff does not smell very good. Okay, and I need something to lift it up. Let's see if we can do it this way, just by lifting it by hand or not. I know it's going to last several minutes until we get the stuff melted. So we have to wait a little bit. I hope you can see it. I'm just lifting the frame a little bit with my fingers. Just high enough to put the MEK between the frame and the body part. It always lasts several minutes. Dum-de-dum-de-dum, dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. It's just not very pleasant for your fingers to hold it. But it already starts. I have to do it a little bit by feeling, because it's not so easy to see when it starts to melt. But it always lasts several minutes. Okay. My hand is obviously in the way again, like so often, because I'm a lefty. Yeah, it starts. Okay. I just have to press it down now, so that we can get the best results. Huh? Okay.